Welcome back once again. Today, I came up with another artificial intelligence powerful tools, how to draw a flowchart that will be helpful in your presenting in your research paper, and also will be helpful in your presentation, and it can be helpful in different ways. So today I'll be focusing much on those powerful AI tools which can make your work more easier, to make it more professional when you are trying to draw something, and that can be that can be utilized, and you can able to give wonderful presentation or wonderful paper based on using these important AI tools. So without wasting much time, keep watching properly so that you don't miss how it is working out. Let's go ahead. So let me just take a screen little smaller. Now I'm opening that point name called Miro AI. Okay, if you are not familiar, this is one of the most powerful AI tools which I often used, especially in framing the flowchart. You know, when I want to give a presentations and anything. If you are a professional worker, if you are an employee or a student, these tools are very essential and very important that you must have frequent idea how to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead. You can write Miro AI flowchart, or you can write Miro AI and just give enter. After giving enter, you can find here uh, this Miro AI. Okay, let me type this. These are also there, but as of now, I'm not showing that one. But let us go with this Miro AI. Okay. So after going this, what you can do, you can sign in, you can log in. So I'm going to show you the full details. Uh, I'm logging in. Fine. After login, you can log in with your Google account. So you try to click Google account. If you don't have Google account, try to give your email address, then your email password, and then you can log in. There is no big issue on that. Okay. So let's go, since I'm often open with Google account. So I'm trying to open with a Google account. Okay. Fine. This is my Gmail account, my personal Gmail account. And most important thing is that nowadays things are getting much easier. But if you are not familiar with what type of tools you should be using for your official work, for your research paper as a student, in every perspective, this type of AI tools, smart tools, you must have ideas so that you can be skillful in the days to come. Okay, so I'm giving here continue. I'm clicking here continue. Okay, now it's coming. So we will see what is the how we can work out, right? It's very interesting. Keep following and keep subscribing my channel so that you don't miss powerful AI tools. One day you'll become an artificial intelligence expert. So see, I'm very serious. I'm very serious. I'm not just joking, but really, if you keep following, you will surely learn the important tools which are very, very important and crucial that you can able to build up yourself. Okay. Now, how you want to filter this name, you can also write this name, no problem. Okay. Now, if you want to tell us about the team, if you have a team name, you can write team name. And if you don't have team name, you can continue. There's no. So I'm just writing my team name is, say suppose, um, let me write my name. Okay. I'm writing my name. For which purpose you are trying to use, there's an option here. You can go for marketing, you can go for product management, operation, engineering, deploy, any design, sales, or anything, whatever the frequency you feel. Since I'm a teacher, a student, so I'm preferring teacher and student here. Okay. Yeah, if you are familiar, no, it is the first time you can give. Since mine is not a first time, I have used multiple time. So you can select any one. Otherwise, yes, a couple of time I'm giving here. What will you use Miro for? So you can write for work or personal or education. So I'm writing for education purpose, and I'm selecting here as okay, freelancer. I'm building for my own team manager, or you can write anything what you want. So I'm writing as freelancer. Okay, it's option. So only me. So maybe 2 to 50 or 51 to this one or anything. So I'm just giving 51 to 250. Okay, select option. You can write anything. That's just giving you for what purpose it is. Okay. So audio podcast. Yes, I'm having podcast channel. So I'm writing this podcast and continue. Okay. So in this way, you can give details and then you can register. That's not a big challenge. Then you can able to copy this link and share to your work messenger. If you want to copy this link, you can give your email here, enter email address, then you can able to share your copy link. If you don't want, fine, skip for now. Okay, then the power of we okay, skip steps. Now starts the main powerful. Now you'll see the real work. Okay, see here how good it is, how powerful it is. I'm going to draw some diagram so that you may be able to know. Next, next, you can give next, next, next to get all the application facilities. Next, you can give, after that you can give a close. Okay, now if you want to see, it's very easy, it's very easy. You can share, you can draw, you can do anything, you can explore. See, if I want to explore here, if I want to template, if I want to use a template out here, I'm clicking the template. So you can use different types of template if you want. Here there are a lot of different types. That you want to use this type of template, you can use. There are a lot of template you can apply. Which template fits you the most? So you can use the any template. Suppose you want to use this template, you can use this template. Click here. Okay, see, a lot of things you can use template. See here, you can use different type of templates. You can draw your design. You can do anything what you want. Whatever template you would like to do, you can do it easily. It becomes more powerful. If you want to copy, if you want to download, if you want to export to CSV file, if you want to copy an image, that also you can do. So that's a lot of facilities that you can able to do with this. It's a very good one. Uh, and if I want to delete, I'm deleting this. And if you want to go here, if you want to type here, see here is the shape. If you want to use the shape, suppose you are using this shape, drag out here, automatically you can push this, and another you can take out, you can click, you know and you can find out. If you want to write downside, you can put. No, there are a lot of things. If you want to put here color, you can able to put different types of color. If you want to put different kinds of color here, you can put it. So see here, you can put here, so suppose you're writing here start. Okay, and if you want to make it bold, you can make it bold. So a lot of options are there here. A lot of options are there. You can able to make it, you can change. Okay, and if you want to search, here also there's a Miro AI. What you can do, you can create directly document and objectives and all these things, rewrite for clarity. All these things will give you the optional. Okay, so it is very easy to draw the diagram. Okay, and I'm giving you optional here. If you want to copy, then you can copy style, and everything is there. And if you want to make a color, I have already said that border the color, so it will border the color. See, it's bordered the color. If you want the color to be in different green color, then it will be green color. So in different way you can do it. And if you want to fill up, if you want to highlight the text, you can also highlight the text. If you want to go for uh, coloring, see, suppose I'm writing here again start. See, this is again the color has changed. So that's a lot of way you can do. This is a very useful tools that you can able to design. And if you want to write a text, you can keep this text, you can put here, and here you can you have no need text, we can write text here. Okay, so hello, there are a lot of big things. This text can be beaten up. If you want to be more big, you can make it more big. That's not a big issue. Okay, you can select as per your convenience, no problem. Okay, if you want to rotate, you can rotate, no problem. So there's a lot of facilities how you can able to do it. You can save. See, it's a very flexible, and you can use a lot of flexible things are there here. You can use these, what type of things you want, what size you want. You can minimize your size how you want to take it out. Okay, so likewise, more tools are there. You can add others diagram types if you want to have this type of format diagrams, no, these things. So there are a lot of things that you can do. Okay, so this is one of the important tool that you can use, which is called Miro IO. Okay, so I hope it will be easier. You keep on practicing, that will become more easier for you to learn, and you can draw easily. And if you want to see, export this board, you can export as PDF file, save as image. If you want to save as image, you can save as image, save as image. See, it is as a, what type of image you want, JPG file, small or medium, whatever you want. I want small size this, then I can export. Okay, see, it's already export. You can find out this, what is done easily, easily. What is the diagram you want to do, you can easily find out. See, this diagram, just I have drawn for a casual show, so you can make the size as per your convenient. Okay, if you practice, it will become more easier. So in this way you can able to do. And if you want to a lot of things you can do. If you want to download this, you can download also. There's an option to download. Okay, so you can share. And also, if you want to download, you can download. That's a big issue, no problem. It is nothing is there. Okay, so likewise, you can able to use this diagram, flowchart. I mean, you can able to draw by using Miro IO. Fine. Wonderful things you can draw. Since I'm going to show you more other tools, that's why I'm not taking much time. So you can able to explore how to use it. And there are lot of ways that you can draw, and it is very flexible that you can able to use this. Okay, if you want to make it more safe, if you want to find out more safe, there are a lot of shapes that you can use, whatever shape you want. If you want different shapes, see here, there are a lot of shapes. You can able to see what type of systems you want to add it. So a lot of things that, yeah, which is feasible for you, you can able to add. See here, all these things you can use. It's a very good uh, tools, artificial intelligence, for especially for drawing diagrams. Okay, then after that you can download. Import diagram you can do, no problem. If you have something to import diagram which you want to add, that also you can import. You can search, then you can import. Suppose you want to import a diagram which is separate, you can import here by clicking here and choose the file. Suppose you want to import a file, suppose you are having a diagram, you can choose a file. Suppose I don't have the diagram now here, so you can choose the file and then import there also. That facilities is also there. Okay, so you can try once, keep trying, then I hope it will become more easier for you to learn more. So this is one very powerful AI tools. Another AI tool which I'm going to teach you very easy, which is called Draw IO. Okay, Draw IO. Another important tools which you can use. Very easy and very flexible. I would suggest you to use Draw IO. Diagram here is there, but let me check this diagram. Might be sometimes they see here. No, there is a lot of things. Now when you become skill out, when you try to work out, it is very easy. See, create new diagram, give a name for that. Say, suppose you are giving a name as your project name as project one. Click on the blank diagram, then create. And here you can write project 1 and save. Where do you want to save? See here I have save in drive. Suppose you want to save in download, we can save in download and click OK. So there's an option where you want to save it out. Okay. So if you know these two, three tools, I can assure that your paper is going to fire out. If you're a student, if you're trying to apply, if you're presenting any presentation, if you use these flowchart and all these things, really you are going to fire out. You are going to fire out. Okay, let's see. Let's try this now, which is called draw.io. Okay, so let me draw one example. I'm taking here as start. Since I'm an artificial intelligence expert, so I'm just writing the ML steps. So I'm writing as at the start. After that, you can click here, click in the arrow, and if you want this option, yes, you can do here. And I'm writing here pre-processing. Again, I'm clicking here. I'm typing here as models, apply models, and I'm clicking here as matrix calculations. Sometimes when you type easy sentences, sometimes you get mistakes. Sometimes even small things you get confused. So I'm writing here calculations. Let me give you. So after that you can say stop. You can use stop. Okay, so if you want to add any text out like this, if you want to draw diagram like this, suppose if you have another point to stress out here, suppose you are having connectivity. So I'm just showing for your flexibility. Say suppose you are having another connection. Uh, this is used for connection. You are connecting another model. So you want to create another model here. So you connect with another model. So flexible. You can use anything. So you can use another model too. So likewise you can change, you can modify. If you want to give color, click here, go to this folder and click any of the arrow and apply. See, it is already in the color. Again, if you want to change this color, you can click here. You can apply green color. Okay, fine, I'm applying this. So this way you can apply an attractful diagram, you can make it out. And if you want to add text out here, you can add text. Suppose you want to apply here, what type of input? So you say text or speech input. So you can add as per your convenience. If you want to extend, you can extend. So it's very easy. Is one of my favorite. I can say Draw.io is one of my favorite. Why I often use get skill up and this has given me a lot of confidence to make it more professional, being in this professional field. So you not only learning myself, I also encourage. Why I came up with this podcast channel is that I want to teach my people. I want to teach my students. I want to teach. I want to explore my learning so that you also learn the same thing. So that one day you will remember that yes, someone have taught me these things. So I'm grateful for that. So you can use this. Uh, First one is the Miro.io. Then you can use Draw.io. So, a lot of things you can do here. See, a lot of space are there. Miscellaneous space are there. A lot of things you can apply. Advanced are there. A lot of things that you can apply. Okay. Now, if you want to download this, if you feel to download this, like go to file, you go to export, and you can write jpg file and make it this wide as 4 or 5, so that there will be a boundary space. If you don't keep boundary space 0, you might miss out the boundary line. So I would suggest you to give 4 or 5 or maybe 6 as per your convenience. Then I'm going to export it. Let's see where I'm going to export in download file. Okay, I'm going to export in the download file. So, okay, let's see. So wonderful. Okay, it will get export. Let's check it out. See, it is already export here. See what a wonderful image you got it. Got it? So this is the way how you can do easy. When you keep this as a flowchart, it becomes more attractful in your research paper. It becomes more attractful when you're going to submit a thesis. If you're a university, if you're a PhD scholar, especially students' perspective, I'm talking. Yeah, no, it's very important that you should know. Not only students, those who are employed also. Sometimes you have to give some summary of frame flowchart. Then you can do that. Fine. So this is the way you can use and you can apply. Fine. So let us go with another one, powerful. That is also one of my favorite, which I often use. So let me go with another one. So I'm clicking here, and let us go with another. So today you're going to learn all the powerful, flowchart to draw powerful tools, how to be more smarter, right? Okay. So one more, which is one of my favorite. It's one of my favorite, Figma. It's very, 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 very powerful. Figma is very powerful. It's more smarter than the other previous two. Okay, I'll show you the shortcut way how you can do that. Even in Figma, how you can use it. Okay. So sometimes you're not getting idea how to do it. Sometimes you're not getting idea how to apply. So in that case, what you can do? You can select your chat GPT, any size or anything. Uh, I'm just going with a new page. Say, suppose you want to draw, say I'm typing, I want to draw a flow. Chat GPT also gives flowchart. It generates the flowchart. Last previous, which I have already shown in my previous video also. You can go through my channel. There I have seen how you can generate the graphs and all these things. Because ChatGPT has the power to generate that. But I'm teaching you if you want to generate. Suppose let me just let me give. Suppose you have a sentence. Uh, there will be a start. Wait. Give me the summary how to draw a machine translation flow chart. Okay, I'm asking, I want to draw a machine translation flowchart. It can be anything. You want anything flowchart that you are not able to, how to follow or how to do. So I'm writing, give me the summary how to draw a machine translation flowchart. Just I'm typing this. Okay. So they'll give a summary here, just little bit how input and box, tokenization, all this pre-processing and all these things. This is given now. Fine. They have given here what to use. Now what I can do is that 1, 2, 3 step is given. So let me copy this till 7 option. I'll copy this, go to Figma, still opening. Okay, fine. Now here, what I can do, let me go with a new one. Uh, you can click here, Figma's Jam. After clicking here, there's an option, see here, there's an option here. This portion, you just copy and paste it out here. Okay, you just copy and paste it out what you want and how the flowchart should look. So if you give this command and you can just click make, if you make or generate, might come generate in your place. Make and generate is the same thing. It will just boom, it will come out. See the power of artificial intelligence. Things just make it very easy, right? See, You don't need to draw anything. You don't need to draw anything. You can modify as per your convenience. If you want to modify, if you want to type it out here, if you want to go here, change your direction, if you want to make it go in this format. See, it is giving very powerful as per what it is asking. See here. See, as per start, input text, pre-processing, translation model, post-processing, output, and end. So you can make your own structure. You can make your own structure, right? And if you want to download this, you can download. Yeah, that's not a big issue. That's not a big issue. If you just make sure that you cover this space so that you should be within the line. Okay, make it within the line. And go to click here, then file, and you come to export as. And JPG file you want to export, you export it. Such a wonderful diagram. See here, you can wonderful diagram you'll get here. See, these things you can use. You can use in your Word file if you want to. You have a thesis to submit or a report to submit. In a Word file, you can just copy and paste. It's not a big challenge, isn't it? Why not? Isn't it? Is it very easy, right? Huh? Very easy, very easy. So what you can do, I have a download file here. Let me go to the download file. See, this is the, I will come and paste it out here. So see, it was such a wonderful. And one more advantage is that the more you make bigger, the more the pixel is clear. See, I mean, there is no problem in the pixel. Okay, whenever you want to pose, you try to extend this place. Okay, so there is no problem in the pixel, not at all. Pixel is very clear. See how it is very, very clear, very clear. And here, if you see here, it's looking small, but when you zoom it out, no, it is very, very powerful. So you don't need to worry, and the pixel is very, and you can do in this way. One more thing you can do is you can choose this format if you want to draw manually. If you want to draw manually, I'm going to another page. Then you can select this page. See, same thing. You can select, again go to the another point, then go another point. See, and go to another point. If you want to make a color, see here, it is given here, make a color. You can click any of the colors. See here. You can write here start. If you want to make this color, you can click here color. You can choose another color. See, you can write pre-processing. A lot of things. You can make it as per your convenience. That's not a big challenge. So same way you can do it. There are a lot of tools here. If you want to add text, see here, just put it here text. It will come out. It will go hello. So you want to put hello, you want to resize that size, you can make it. If you want to make bigger size, medium size, if you want to make an extra large hello, we can make it. And that's not a big challenge. And you don't need to click, you just have to just zoom out, zoom out. That's it. And it will remain. Where you want to put this? You want to put here, you can put here. Flexibility is more powerful here. So this is the three important flowchart on drawing the flowchart using AI tools. I would suggest you to explore all the three so that you can become more smart and more powerful, right? So let this be the today one. In coming days, I'll come up with one more important AI tools so that you can able to be more equitable and so that you can able to learn. That is my perspective, that when I teach, let them learn and be a very person equipped in the coming days. So keep following my channel so that you don't miss any important topics. And there are many still who are not following. Might be they might lose many important important suggestion and important learning things. So here I like to stop. Thank you everyone for all your patience. Thank you.